Wagwan my people. So I don't know who remember me talking about this artist, Rygin King. He was recently on stage with Winfred Williams. You know what I mean? And now, big up Milk to get this exclusive interview with Rygin King because he's rising gradually. You know what I mean? And I'm going to give you guys a snaps of the interview that he did with Milk, and we come back.
Welcome on set, Mr. Rygin King.
Yeah, man, me there, you know.
Yeah, all right. For those of us who don't know you, we have to start from the beginning. I know you said quick and fast, but there's no quick and fast with the Milky One when she's on TV. Tell me where you come from.
I don't know, I'm going to be forward from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, originally Flanker, but right now we live in a Norwood Gulf. Big up all our supporters, then big up all our West Side, the whole our Mobile Side, you understand? Big up all Jamaica, all our people them we are support. The whole Miami, as I say, all America, man. All our people them we are support.
Exactly.
ITV, out here. Yeah, that.
When did music call you?
From a band.
From your born?
Yeah, that.
So when did you start off your artist career? How did you get your first big break?
Well, you don't know me, Tip God, Ramsey, Magix. Those are who I associate with doing music. You understand? My producer, my director, my management, and me, the artist. So we just fuse and start the music as a team from them until right now. Anything hot, you don't know. The people them feel the good song them we send out on the road. They don't know, say, this Rygin King get film exposure on the streets before it went to mainstream. You understand? So the people them say one king before anybody else say one king. The garrison them, big up all our garrison them, big up all our Kingston. Every garrison in Kingston, every garrison everywhere in Jamaica say one king. Yeah, that.
One time, radio was responsible for busing artists. Now, social media debut and social media is playing a big part in everyone's career. How is social media playing a part in your career, and has it helped you?
Well, as me I say, at the streets, my song them jump on, you see me? You understand? As you can see, people hardly even say Rygin King. You understand?
But we know your songs.
Yeah. You understand? So, I wouldn't say the social media helps a lot. Yeah, for progression and, I don't know, promotional reasons. Yeah, so I would say it helps a lot. But that was not the reason. That didn't bust me.
Okay. You are performing on Sumfest this year. Congratulations.
Yeah, man.
Growing up in Flanker, did you ever think that you would be performing on Sumfest? I mean, and you just come on the scene and your management work it so that you are performing on the 28th stage of Sumfest. How that make you feel like some artists come out and all 2 years into them career, them don't even get a spot on Sumfest? How you feel?
I'm more being, you know, and the people them want to see me, you know. I'm a product of my city, you understand? The people them want to see me, you understand? Yeah, the whole of the streets want to see me. Them hear about a platform show like Sunfest, one of the biggest in Jamaica. That's where they would want to see me at right now. Because it goes through stages in the music, you understand? It takes from here to here and there, and they want to see me at that level. So big up Sunfest to put me up on the platform, you understand? I want to make the place that warm, you understand? What do you think? Yeah, that.
Okay, growing up now, you're from Sumfest City. Have you ever been to Sumfest as a teenager or growing up and say, yo, that person that I saw perform this year on Sumfest is my most absolute favorite performance of all the Sumfests that I've been on? Is there somebody like that for you?
Good question, because I've been to Sunfest a lot of times, you know, observing the artists that approach the stage, you know, and make a big performance. And I tell you, say, I rate to all of them do them job. They was ready enough to be there. You understand? The people want to see them there. You understand? So big up all the artists them. Yeah, that.
What are you bringing to your performance for the entire world to see coming up in July?
As me I say, me is a king, so king do kingliness. So I expect what a king should do for the people. Yeah, that. One king.
Tell me about your name. How did you come by Rygin King?
Well, that's a long story.
No, tell me the long story. Come have all the time. Don't bother curdle my milk today.
As me I say, I don't know Rygin King forward from the culture, you see me? Rygin was a famous Jamaican.
Yes.
You see me? One of them tough rebel there in our system. I mean, he's a rebel who stand up for myself, said we stuff. So it was a reincarnation of the culture. So big up the culture, Jamaica. Yeah, that.
We in a World Cup season. Who is your side? Are your side gone home already?
you know, say, the two sides, them, me have them there on me right now. You see me, them not going nowhere, so. Me I watch football, me I watch World Cup right now, and me just, me not have a specific side. You understand? Me just advise the ball of them for just do them best, and you don't know. Win the World Cup, and only one can win the World Cup. You understand?
All right. I like that. Rygin King. I'm looking forward to seeing your performance on Sumfest. Thank you for talking with me today.
Yes.
So people, as you can see, that's Rygin King being more of himself, talking and being like real down to earth. You know what I mean? With Milk, and just letting people know that this is the person he is. You know what I mean? Bigging up the area that he's from. And not only that, people, he has a video coming out for Think Tough, where I'm gonna have you guys take a look at this also.
Richie Sadler! I want me life. I want me life. Every girl link up. Ecstasy, I'm a lean on the club, and the girl, them a fuck. Them said I'm not dead, them is a pretty little freak, them a DJ.
As you can see, that's him enjoying himself. And I have to say big up to Rygin King, because he has good lyrics and his melody is tough. You know what I mean? And he's a good writer. You know what I mean? And he has the swag. As I said, he has the swag, he has the looks. You know what I mean? So he has the image to be an artist, and he has the melody. And I wish him all the best, because when you see a star, you can't really try to hold them back, and the guy is shining. You know what I mean? So big up to Rygin King, and big up to the whole girl team up here. You know what I mean? Peace. I'm out.
Yo, DNA. Ice and chaser.
See a chat, man.
Yeah. Fuck with the trap. Girl, I said it in tough. Ice and chaser, come keep that drink up. The vibes right, I'm thugs, them hype, but we don't give a fuck. We step out in the white, and every girl a ball out for talk. If you're not trouble me, me not trouble you. Tell me in my vibes, you know. I tell them we alright, you know. We leaving now, so the team will come. Part the crowd, do not let me out. And everyone I try to figure me out. Them ask me fight, what you talking about? Just keep them out, coming, I need a dog. The songs I go harder, where them all go send up. The energy pure, pour some on the floor. Yo, that a 50 bookie and 100 more. Let's fuck up the club, dog, we making the toast. We fixing them out, tell them winning and all. One of the most exquisite around. Me young and defensive, but me not give a fuck, I'm a pro. Creates a queen of the clouds. Yeah, girl, I broke out, I better come get her. Girl, I said it in tough. Ice and chaser, come keep that drink up. The vibes right, I'm thugs, them hype, but we don't give a fuck. We step out in the white, and every girl a ball out for talk. If you're not trouble me, me not trouble you. Smoking good and me drinking good. Ask her if she good and she reply, yeah, your life feel good, I look hard right now. One time we did broke, now we can do what we want. Yeah, feeling it feel good enough. Excuse me, I'm about my color. Do what I want, you don't follow. Tell them me in my vibes, you know. I tell them we alright, you know. I'm leaving now, so the team will come. Part the crowd, do not let me out. And everyone I try to figure me out. Them ask me fight, what you talking about? Just keep them out, coming, I need the dogs. The songs I go harder, where them all go stand up. Every girl link up, ecstasy, I'm a lean at the club, but that the girl, them a pop. Them said them not there, them is a pretty little freak, them we do it in a car. Step out in the white, and every girl a ball out for talk.